This is the next garden project, and we forgot to take videos of it before we tore it up. So, unfortunately, this is going to have to do. Here's the next garden project. Well, this is the house we own and we rent out. And the walk, well, you can kind of see it here. It's not even. And it's heaving and hoeing. So we decided it would be a good idea to take it up and relay it before we get any older than we are. All the pavers are up. Bruce is now doing the steps. And if we're lucky, he'll get this done today. And if we're not so lucky, it will be tomorrow. So then we'll have all the walls done, all the steps done. And it'll be finished. This lasted, what, 20 years?
Oh, close.
Close enough.
Maybe 15.
Well, 15 years. This lasted 15 years. And if we're really lucky, we'll still be alive when it needs to be done again. But I think we probably will be too old to do it then. Maybe we can get our son-in-law to do it. He's a nice guy. This project is done. This is the house that we own and rent out. And Bruce rebuilt the steps because they were uneven. And this is the sidewalk. It goes, well, up from our driveway to up here, and then we may decide to put a walkway in for them. But this is the walkway, and it had done the heave-ho from the frost and the cold and the rain. And he rebuilt this step here, which looks like it needs a little bit more work on it. But he was putting in and redoing the garden here. So that's done. And then this goes down to the side where you can get your water. So that's another project finished. Now there's a lot of this I was unable to help him with because the blocks are too heavy. But I was able to stack up the small blocks as to the straight edges and the other edges. And then he put the garden in and I cut it all down because that's what you do. And besides, winter will be coming along and it will need to be cut down anyway. And so, another project done.